This is what my stomach looks like after Malica Patrol. Just kidding. Malica Patrol is back on the hunt for the best Malica in Ljubljana. And today, we're at Rutar. Rutar is a home goods store. So the interior is quite unique. Clean, modern, with some cool art pieces. There's even a free playroom for kids, which is a big plus. And you can eat with a view like this. So for the vibes alone, it's a solid 10. The daily menu costs $8.90 and includes soup, a main dish, and a salad. I had beef soup, mashed potatoes with meatballs, pork ribs, and a salad. One of the perks here, you can mix and match everything on one plate, like my friend did. Now the beef soup. Simple, salty, not my thing. I'm giving it a 4. The main dish? Mashed potatoes and meatballs were tasty. The ribs were a bit tough. My friend's pasta with chicken, not great. What really saved the score was the salad. Bar, you can dress it up any way you like. So I give the main dish an 8. And after a lunch like that, you could honestly take a nap here. Final score for Rutar, a respectable 7.3.